Hello folks, we now have an official launch date for the Poco F5 smartphone. Poco has set the global launch event for May 9th. The Poco F5 will succeed last year's Poco F4 5G. Poco's next smartphone series is going to feature two models, the F5 Pro and F5. The Xiaomi-based company has been teasing the launch and has finally confirmed the date. Poco, via a Twitter post, shared a short teaser for the F5 global launch. The Poco F5 will launch on May 9th in India. You can catch the launch event on YouTube as well as Poco India's official website. The Poco F5 Pro will also launch, but it most likely will be reserved for the global markets. From the teaser, it is evident that the smartphone will sport a triple camera array, housed most likely within a glass black and plastic chassis. Poco has also confirmed that the F5 smartphone will be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 chipset, making it the first smartphone in India to have this chip at the helm. In response to a Twitter poll, Poco India head Himanshu Tandon has revealed that the smartphone will arrive in 8 plus 256GB and 12 plus 256GB variants. In India, the Poco F5 is set to start at 28,000 or 29,000 rupee for the base model, as per tipster Yogesh Bra, who's also tipped the phone specs. The Flipkart teaser also shows the Poco F5 in a white color, and the design also suggests it's a rebranded Redmi Note 12 Turbo. Additionally, the Poco F5 Pro could be a rebranded version of the Redmi K60. Going by this speculation, we have some idea on what to expect from the upcoming devices. Price Barber also reported a leaked user manual of what's supposed to be the Poco F5 Pro. Let's take a look at what we know about the Poco F5 Pro and Poco F5 so far. Display. The smartphone is rumored to feature a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a punch-hole selfie camera. Processor. The Poco F5 Pro, being the top-tier model, is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, paired with up to 12GB of RAM. Battery. It could pack a 5160 mAh battery with 67W fast charging support. Camera. The Poco F5 Pro could sport a 64MP primary camera with optical image stabilization, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP macro camera. For selfies, it could house a 16MP front camera. Connectivity. The report also says that the Poco F5 Pro will come with a nano SIM slot, 5G and NFC as well. It will also house a USB Type-C port at the bottom. Software. Both the Poco F5 Pro and Poco F5 are expected to run Android 13-based MIUI 14. Now, Poco F5 specs. Display. Just like the Pro variant, the Poco F5 is set to feature a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. We could also see an in-display fingerprint sensor on the Poco F5. Camera. The Poco F5 is also expected to sport the same triple camera setup like the Poco F5 Pro. Battery. We might see a smaller 5000 mAh battery on the Poco F5, but with the same 67W fast charging support. Guys, hang around to stay updated on the latest tech news. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the next one. Good luck to all.